dude. And he said, I can't hurt that.
Well, there just a little bit there. I was going to go that low. Did I get it?
Oh, I think you spared that ribbon. The ribbon is still intact.
All right, tell Fred to pull those posts a little harder. That thing was a little saggy for me, but we're going to get it this time.
And a downburst came in there and forced it down to the ground just as you were passing over.
You know, that happens sometimes. Yeah, that's it. That's what happens. Get another good run on this thing.
Okay, your second chance at a photo opportunity. Doing it the hard way. Up goes the nose, around upside down. And again, a bit of crosswind coming across the runway. It's indicated by that adjustment on the rudder and the aileron